Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to terminate a misbehaving process when you run into issues on your Azure Cloud Shell. So computers are not perfect, and in your system administration journey you're expected to run into issues and probably troubleshoot and provide fixes for the same system problems. So the commands that we're going to use in this particular video are not limited to ps and grep, and also the kill command, which will come in handy. Let's jump into the video of the day, and we'll start by connecting the Cloud Shell. So I'll click on connect. I'm going to clear this with the clear command. So the first command I'm expecting to run is the change directory tilde command, which is going to take us back to the home base. So I can also do pwd to check if we're in the right home base. That's correct. Then the next command that you're looking to run is to open a file named bad.py. That's a Python file via the text editor. That's via the Linux V editor. So I'm going to run the command vi bad.py, which is an extension of Python. It will open a blank text editor, and what you're looking at is to create a program that runs an infinite loop, and it clears and something is not running on the server. So I'm going to copy this Python script and paste it here. Then I'll click on escape, then type :qw as indicated on step number 4. Sorry, that's wq, and hit enter. So what W stands for is to write, and also Q stands for quitting from that particular text editor. So the fifth command that I'm expected to run is a Python script command, which is Python 3, the name of our Python script, py bad.py, and an ampersand at the end. So the ampersand at the end, make sure that when this command runs, it doesn't run into an infinite loop. So at least we can confirm that bad.py is running, and it's stealing CPU cycles from other processes. So we'll get into the next part of the video, which is killing the process. So, and before we check on what needs to be done, we are going to run the ps-ef command, which will list all the running processes. So to do that, we'll do ps-ef and hit enter. So if you can check, you can be able to see our command that we ran on Python 3 on that script that runs an infinite loop. Okay, so step number 2 is us to kill all the processes. So just to list what we need to be killed, what we are going to do is to run this command. Let me just clear this. So what we expected of us is to run the kill -l -l. So this is kill. It'll give us will list all the kill commands that we need to use, and what we expected to use is the command number 9, which is sig kill here, which corresponds with the number 5. So that's what we're going to use to kill our process ID. So just to refresh our minds, let me clear this. I'm going to use the up arrow key to run the process ID command that will show the process ID of our particular script that is running infinitely. So that is the process ID. Okay, so the command to kill that is kill -9. Remember, we had already checked this when we ran the previous command. Then the process ID is 1418, which is here. So we're going to kill this particular program, Python program, and hit enter. I'll use the up arrow key to check if that has taken effect, and if we check at this, our Python script is no longer running, but that process ID has been killed successfully. Okay, and that will be it for today. So the commands that we've learned today are the ps kill command, which probably identify and terminate the zombie processes, and these will really come in handy when you're troubleshooting as a system administrator. We have come to the end of the video, and that is it for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.